Aloha, everybody. Halloween is just a couple of weeks away, and you know how I feel about thrifting your costume rather than buying new. We're here at Goodwill with our friend Doug. Good morning, Doug.
Good morning, Kim.
So why thrift your costume rather than buying, those expensive prepackaged ones?
Well, it's so important to thrift your costume because you get those one-of-a-kind costumes. Like you're going to a Halloween party, you don't want to dress up like everybody else. You want to find something that's totally unique. So instead of buying the pre-bought, pre-packaged items, go out and find the shirt, find the wig, find the pants. And again, it's all going to be one of a kind because you're making it from your own imagination.
Absolutely. You're going to be the talk of the party, I'm telling you. Okay, it's 2025. What are the hot costumes for this year? Your predictions?
Well, outside of supporting the Blue Jays and getting ready for baseball season, right? Obviously, Lilo and Stitch, hit movie, Steve from Minecraft. I mean, you got your Stitch outfit.
And I put this together in 30 seconds. Imagine what I did if I had like more than a few minutes,
No doubt. Yeah. Steve from Minecraft, so the generic player. Obviously, you get into your pop culture items, right? So you have your Morgan Wallens.
Nice, yeah.
Right?
Just visited us. Yeah,
exactly. Your Kendrick Lamars, your Sabrina Carpenters, Bad Bunny. Like, those are really big hits this year. And let's not forget Wednesday from the hit show Netflix.
Yeah, and let's not also forget K-pop Demon Hunters.
Oh, my goodness.
We're going to see so many Roomies and Miras, and you know the deal,
Oh, my daughter can recite that off by heart. So yes, K-pop Demon Hunters, #1.
Your daughter and I have that in common. What is the importance of thrifting secondhand shopping?
So important because of the sustainability factor. We're not sending more items to the landfill. We're really big on that. And not only when you shop at secondhand places like Goodwill, you're also supporting our mission of helping people with disabilities to find meaningful employment.
Right on. Doug, thank you so much. Or should I say Morgan Wallen? Thank you very much. Get him, cowboy. If you want more information on Goodwill, head to the website below. Today we're at Goodwill celebrating all things Halloween, but also this month is a very special month. It is Disability Employment Awareness Month, and I'm with Doug Roxburgh. Good morning, Doug.
Good morning.
So tell me what's going on Halloween for you guys. It's a very special day.
Yeah, very special day. It's happening on October 19th. It's Accessible Halloween, or Treat Accessibility.
Okay.
And it's happening in Summerside from 1:30 to 4:30, and basically it gives an opportunity for everyone who has mobility issues to celebrate Halloween in the proper fashion. Because you know how we have houses with stairs. Well, this takes away that in Summerside, and we'll be handing out treats.
Very nice.
Which is awesome, right? So we're not benefiting it at all. This is a great organization. It's Canada-wide, and we're just there to celebrate in all things accessibility, because that's what we do as an organization in terms of employment for people with disabilities. So we just want to celebrate with all the kids and hand out some candy.
That's going to be such a great night, and it's so great for you guys to do this. But let's expand more on that, because Goodwill has always been about employing people with disabilities. How important is that mandate to you?
It's very important. As an organization, about 21% of our workforce has a self-disclosed disability. That doesn't include a barrier to employment, and that could be English as a second language. We also partner with private organizations right across the province, and we provide those supports, whether it's training, interview skills, or even working with employers to put in the proper procedures to help people to have that accessibility at the workplace. So extremely important for our community.
Once again, really quickly, all the details about the event at Summerside so people can participate.
It's happening October 19th in Summerside from 1:30 to 4:30, and make sure you get your candy.
Right on. Trick or treat. I want the M&Ms, by the way.
There you go.
Thank you very much. Find really cool trick-or-treat buckets, too, at Goodwill. If you want more information, head to the website below. A little stingy. How about another one?
Okay, you get another one.
Oh, it's my favorite time of year. It's spooky season, and we are celebrating with our good friends at Goodwill. I am joined by Doug. And Doug, I've already kind of decorated for Halloween, but my trip to Goodwill is always a good setup. You guys always have some great things here. What kind of things can we thrift for decorations for Halloween?
Decor is probably the most prestigious item you can find for Halloween, because it's the entryway. When you come into your house, you want that pop. So you can take those old brass candles, spray paint them, make them nice and black and dark and spooky. You want to scare the people as soon as they come into your house.
Absolutely. I actually learned something from one of the Goodwill girlies for last year. Get a vintage frame and then put ghosts on there, and then you have yourself a spooky art gallery on the wall. Just an idea out of thousands ideas that we have here at Goodwill. Last year you partnered up with the Edmonton Elks, and how did that go?
It went so well that we're running it back. We're doing it again this year. October 24th is the spooktacular game against the dreaded Calgary Stampeders. So everyone's going to dress up in their Halloween costume. But not only that is we're partnering with the Edmonton Elks wives, and we're going to seek donations prior to the game. And all the donations will actually go help support Windhouse here in Edmonton as well. So there's a couple of partnerships happening throughout that game that we're really excited about. And that's why I went from baseball to hockey to football for my Halloween costume.
Right. You're covering all the sports here and all the good merch from Goodwill too on these jerseys. That's amazing. So what can we do at the event?
Basically, we want you to come dress up in your spookiest costume because there's going to be some great prizes, but we also want you to donate to help support Windhouse because it's such a great cause here in Edmonton.
That's right. Decor, we got costumes. I myself dressed up as Lilo and Stitch for this year, and I found this in within 30 seconds here at Goodwill. There's so many endless costume options. Head to Goodwill for decor and costumes and go to the website below for more information. Thanks, Doug.
Thanks.